In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. So you can see on the screen the location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.4, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Three categories of rooms are available online. Several dates and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various trip plans and payment policies. If you are planning to visit the link provided in that screen. If you are facing any kind of problem, if you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video.